The title of this video is 10 Great Discoveries. I wonder what they could be. Abraham is credited with being the first to see and declare that there is one God. Before this, cultures had water gods, sun gods, etc. Abraham invented monotheism. Jesus of Nazareth added to this and taught that God was one. This is an extension of monotheism, suggesting that the one God of Abraham was integrated at every level. A teaching which derived from this was to suggest that we love our enemies, and not resist. Next, I believe it was Copernicus who was the first to propose that Earth is not at the center of the universe. Rather, he, and Galileo, suggested the heliocentric model, meaning that we go around the sun, rather than the other way around. Next was Charles Darwin, who discovered natural selection, and wrote, On the Origin of Species. People of his time were not happy, but, as we all know, he was right. Around 1905 and again in 1915, Albert Einstein completely rewrote the reality playbook, suggesting that space and time were the same, space-time, and that matter was frozen energy. His famous formula E=mc2 stands as one of the most advanced discovery ever. Next, along comes Edwin Hubble, an astronomer using the 10-meter telescope at Mount Wilson. He discovers that the universe is expanding and, by inference, that it came from one first source. From these 6 discoveries, now, I wish to add these 4. First, that, in order to survive, we humans shall need to undergo a radical shift in identity, relationship and culture, consummated in making consciousness first cause, and then proposing that the future is dependent on this. Then, that, if we can make this shift together, in the collective, tremendous amounts of energy can be released for action, according to what has been called, Big C. Next, that all war is obsolete, and that the thing that makes this true is relationship. Relationship makes all war obsolete. The only reliable resource for security in the world today is relationship. Finally, that blame is a total perceptual mistake made by humans, and that the actual reason we become upset over people, places and events is that, when we resist, we go dualistic, and the reason we hurt is because this dualism is against the design, flow and trajectory of the cosmos. If we could bring these 10 insights to consciousness, collectively, we could have a chance of surviving the nuclear threat and climate change. These insights are featured at the websites www.oneearth1chance.com and www.loveshift.com. Thank you for watching.